Now, why Netflix? I'm not going to answer this. You are going to answer this. Because it's not solo presentation. Kindly, you are asked to be engaged with me, please. Yes, please.
Because most of the people watch Netflix nowadays.
Excellent.
Most of the time.
So somehow it got within our routine and our day life, and yeah?
We personally choose what to watch based on what we like.
Yes? Excellent. So it's fun. We choose it. Interesting, yes.
They have very different topics.
Different topics. It's new, it's trending. Yes, actually. So, yes, please.
Because it's controversial.
Controversial, yeah. You can say that. There is no wrong answer today. Everything is considerable, nothing is negligible. So, exactly, yes, on the go, yes. I have chosen Netflix because not all the people actually like or enjoy learning. Like, for example, I love English, I love to learn, but I'm not everyone. A lot of people want to learn, but they don't know how. They know the why, but they don't know how. So actually, because I've noticed a lot of people are spending hours daily actually on Netflix. So why not make something fun, helpful to whatever we would like to achieve, yeah? So it's like linking, connecting, again, outsmarting. So that's why I chose Netflix, and that's how I came up with 5 strategies. Of course, I didn't invent anything. It's all there. I only connected the dots. So whatever I'm going to present right now, you should be familiar with. It's just classified. Okay? All right. So in order to learn through Netflix, we shouldn't just randomly watch episodes. We have to make it systematic. Yeah? So basically, how many skills do we have in the language? 6, right? 4. You're not sleeping. Skip. We have got 4 skills, right? We have the eyelashes, reading, listening, writing, speaking. Yes, and we have Netflix, yay. So these are my 5 strategies. The first strategy is, who's saying, the first strategy is listen and read. You only have to listen and read. And then listen, then speak. And then just listen. And then just speak. And then the nightmare, right? It's the most complicated skill because it's the production, actually. So let's meet my babies, my 5 strategies of learning through Netflix. Again. Okay, so basically this is the first one. The target skills are, well, we have major and minor most of the time. So major skills are reading and listening. Yes, please. Yes, the objectives. You should be improving silent reading and comprehension, pronunciation and accent, words memorization, and spelling. This is all through watching one episode, having your popcorn, your nachos, you're enjoying your time, texting, and also learning at the same time. Sounds fun. So basically, this is the task of strategy 1. You are going to watch an episode a day, whether American or British. Which one you prefer? It does, actually it does. Anyway, so it's up to your preference, okay? Probably if you'd like to if you like to speak with an American accent, you should be focusing on American movies and TV shows. So watch an episode a day at least. I know you can do more, but this is different from random watching. It's not gonna be purely 100% fun because your brain will be working again. It will try to outsmart you, telling you this is boring, enjoy your life, don't work, don't study. But again, use the technique of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn the English captions on. Silent reading and comprehension. So while watching, you're listening, you're reading. This will improve your reading. Probably, of course, I'm sorry. I'm addressing you, by the way, as students. But I'm sure you're not students. But I'm just, you could use, because you could use these techniques with your students, with your family, with your friends. So never mind my addressing you as students, okay? Turn the English captions on, silent reading and comprehension. Probably with beginners, they might find the captions too fast for them at the beginning, right? So they could pause, or you could pause, but don't get used to it, because you'll get lazy, or lazier. Yes, please. Listen while you read. You will improve your pronunciation, accent, imitation. Of course, if you're listening, you're going to focus on how words are pronounced, how sentences are pronounced. So you will be improving your pronunciation. Also, try to imitate or copy the native speaker. I know it could be an issue if you have, or if you're watching an episode with actors that are not native speakers, but you can overcome that. Listen while you read. I've finished this. Note down 5 to 10 new vocabulary while watching. My suggestion is have your mobile, you know the notes, the app notes, open a new file. While watching, note down 5 to 10 words, not more, because you will bore yourself. It will exhaust you. Just exactly. So stick to 5 to 10 words. Just pause, look it up in the dictionary, write down its meaning. Once you finish, rewind a little bit. Why?
Have it in context to make it more meaningful.
Perfect, yes. So you know how to use it in context. Because most of us usually learn new words, but we lack the context. I don't know how to use this word. I know this word, but I don't know how to use it. So if you rewind, using this word in this specific context will stick better in your brain. All right? And of course, with time, you'll improve what? Spelling, because you'll be typing and looking at sentences and words and letters, and you'll be memorizing, of course. Okay. Again, so we have achieved silent reading and comprehension, pronunciation, accent, words memorization, spelling, with one episode, which is amazing. The second strategy,